Are you planning to introduce change in your organization and you want to figure out where you'd start? Are you looking at making improvements in operations? How do you know if your organization, project, or team is positioned to achieve its goals? The 7S Framework of McKinsey & Company is a time-tested, practical framework that allows leaders to assess the present organization and, more importantly, plan its future success. You can consider the model as a checklist of 7 internal and interacting elements that must be aligned with each other. These are strategy, structure, systems, style, staff, skills, and finally, shared values. Strategy, structure, and systems are the so-called hard elements that management has direct influence over, while style, staff, skills, and shared values are so-called soft elements that are less tangible. They are influenced by the organization's culture. But don't let the name mislead you. They are just as important as the hard elements. In formulating plans, leaders identify which areas need to be improved or changed. Strategy refers to a well-developed plan to achieve competitive advantage and profitability. Question: is a good business plan in place in your organization? Structure entails the way the enterprise is organized as reflected in the organizational chart. Is the chain of command clear? Are relationships articulated well and accountability spelled out? Systems refer to daily business processes that get the job done and satisfy the needs of both internal and external clients. Style refers to the leadership and management style. It also includes interpersonal business relationships, which ultimately must align with the mission, vision, and values of the organization. Staff refers to human resources decisions and programs that include recruitment, training, and employee engagement initiatives. Skills refers to the competencies of employees or staff and the decisions leaders make to develop their people. What present and future competencies do your people need? What training, coaching, or mentoring must be provided? And finally, at the very center are shared values. These are the organization's core values, norms, and ethics. They guide behaviors in the organization and hold the other elements of the 7S together. To use the model, there are 4 steps. First, identify the present situation by analyzing each element of the 7S. Identify areas that might be misaligned or need improvement. Make sure to give ample time to elements both hard and soft. Second, discuss and decide what changes need to be made. Third, identify targets, formulate action plans, and implement. Fourth, review your progress regularly and make adjustments if needed. Introducing change to any organization is easier said than done, but the 7S framework helps lessen the complexity of the process. Do consider using this model the next time you formulate plans for your team or business.